What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Robinhood stock market investing. This is Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little update on my $7,700 Robinhood stock market portfolio. This month it's actually been doing pretty good, pretty decent, a lot better than what it was doing from all the trade war stuff going on and everything else that was happening. So without further ado, if you like Robinhood stock market investing, make sure to subscribe and drop a like on this video if you guys want me to cover more stock market investing videos. And yeah, enough jibber jabbering. Let's go ahead and get into my portfolio. So taking a look at Robinhood right now, as you can see for Friday, right now it's actually Saturday whenever I'm making this video. But on Friday we made $1.17, so not too good, but not too bad. We finished positive. For the week we are up $143, so almost 2%, 1.89%. For the month we are up $406, so we're actually making a pretty good rally on the comeback from these last couple of months. Obviously these past months have been very volatile as far as the stock market with all the trade wars going on and everything like that. But Donald Trump did come out and say that he is delaying the tariffs that were scheduled for October 1st. He is setting them to October 15th because it's like the 70th anniversary for China. So it's basically like a goodwill kind of move that Donald Trump did. I can't remember who we met with, but exactly he's just helping them out and delaying the tariffs a little bit. So that kind of made the markets do good. So as you can see, my portfolio right now is $7,723. And if you scroll down, right now we are up $86 on Boeing. We are down $7 on Visa. But I actually did add some positions on Visa this week just because it actually did have a pretty bad week. If we go to Visa real quick and look at the 1 week chart, it's actually down 5%. So not a very good week for Visa. A lot of these value stocks and growth stocks have actually been getting kind of hit hard this week. Costco, I did pick up a Costco share for all those that watched not my last video, but the video before that. Or actually it was in my last video now that I think about it. I have an AT&T share. I'm up $5.83 on AT&T. Doing very well on AT&T. I wish I would have bought more shares of that. I have 4 shares of PayPal. I think PayPal is very good, a very good position to build. I think they're a little overvalued. Unfortunately, I bought it at probably $119. Matter of fact, if we go to it right now, we can see my average cost is $115. So very bad average cost. I think their 52-week high is $121. So pretty bad average cost, but I think PayPal has a lot of potential, but that is actually probably my worst position right now is PayPal. I'm down $34 almost, and yeah, not doing very good on PayPal. I bought it just before earnings, and they lowered they had terrible earnings, not terrible earnings, but just Wall Street was expecting a lot better, and they also lowered guidance, so very bad earnings, and it just sent it plummeting, and I was like, oh my goodness, no. Next stock is Microsoft. We are up $3.01 on Microsoft. Would love to get more shares of that position. Next one is Fizz. I've been swing trading Fizz. I should just hold it for the long term, but I've been swing trading it on and off. Made some money on Fizz. Right now we're actually down on $2.18 on this particular swing trade. Next one is Disney. I do want to get some more Disney stock. Disney, I think, has a great opportunity with their streaming service that's coming out in November. Next one, my biggest position, you guys already know, Johnson & Johnson. I still think it is at a great value right now. They're facing a lot of just problems right now, everything from opioids to talc powder, a lot of lawsuits potentially in the future, but I still think they're a great company to invest in. And if you look at it as like a value standpoint, the evaluation on this company is actually very, very good. I think Johnson & Johnson is at an extremely good value right now, and I definitely will be adding more positions to them. Next one is going to be 3M. 3M makes a lot of stuff. If you guys aren't familiar with 3M, just go search up 3M products and you'll see just the diversity that they have for some of their products. Doing very well. At one point I was down like $90. Well, I was up almost $150 on the stock, and then all the trade war stuff started happening and I ended up being down almost $100. But we are slowly making a comeback with 3M, and we are almost up $50 on it now. And they also pay a very good dividend. I got paid last week, I think it was like $10 as a dividend payment just from owning 3M. So really cool company, very good evaluation right now. Would like it to get a little lower, but also pays a very good dividend. Next stock is Wynn Resorts. They're a casino stock. They also pay a very good dividend. Then we have Alibaba. Alibaba, I bought in the midst of the trade war. I bought it at $158 a share, and we are up roughly 20% on it. I think it was, did I say 20%? No, 13%, my bad, 13%. So 13% on Alibaba, up roughly $20.75. My next stock is Realty Income. We own 2 shares of that. $75 is my average cost. And this stock has actually been getting hit pretty hard this week. But if you guys don't know Realty Income, it's a real estate, it's a REIT. So R-E-I-T, it's a REIT. They pay you monthly dividends every single month. So it's a very good stock to have. And honestly, just a solid company. And I'll definitely be adding more positions to this if it keeps on dropping lower. Next stock is Baidu. Baidu has been getting absolutely crushed this year. If you take a look at the 1-year chart, down 50% this year, absolutely getting annihilated. So we're up about $11 on it. It's basically like the Google of China. Next stock is Altria. Altria is a tobacco company. Now, all my heart goes out to all the people that are suffering from diseases and cancer and stuff like that from tobacco. I don't smoke. I'm not a smoker. But I do like the evaluations of these companies, and I think that for the dividends that they pay out and what they're trading at as far as a PE right now, I think these companies are a very, very good value. So I do own 4 shares of Altria, and I'm still down $7 on it, roughly 4%. So this stock is still going down, and I'll probably be adding more positions to these companies as they continue to fall because they pay amazing dividends. They actually have to pay a lot of dividends, because if they didn't pay a lot of the dividends, then they would be just getting sued left and right. People would be trying to get all their assets, and that's why they pay a majority of their profits out to consumers, or to shareholders, because they just like to give away a lot of their profits, so that way they're not an easy target for lawsuits and stuff like that. Next one is AbbVie, up about $3.54 on it. Great dividend as well. Next one is Pfizer. We own 3 shares of it. We are roughly up almost 6% on it. Very good dividend as well. Next one is Zillow. Zillow is a kind of spec stock for me. I think they're going to do very big things in the future. That's just my opinion, but I think they have a huge potential in the real estate, online marketing website kind of stuff. And actually, I'm down pretty big on it, 7%. But I think overall, this stock can do very big things. So it's kind of a spec play, and I honestly want to add more shares to it. So that is Zillow. Next one is British Tobacco, 3 shares of it. Very, very good dividend. All these tobacco companies pay amazing dividends, and their evaluations right now are very, very attractive. If you guys want to go look at the evaluations on some of these tobacco companies, they're absolutely phenomenal. Next company is Airbus. They're actually like a direct competitor to Boeing. They make airplanes and stuff like that, jets. Next one is Delta Airlines. I own about 3 shares of them, down about $1.52 on it. These are from British Tobacco down. These are all new positions that I added on Friday. So these are very, very new to the portfolio. This is like kind of like the update of the portfolio. Next one is Philip Morris, which as I said, a lot of these tobacco companies are getting absolutely spanked right now. I probably will be adding a lot of money into these stocks, these tobacco stocks, just to get a lot more money. But that is going to wrap it up for this video, guys. And like I said, right now the portfolio is at $7,723.77. So we're making our way to 10,000. That is the goal for the end of the year, is to get to 10,000. I just actually had to pay $500 for a cruise that I'm going on in December. So we're a little bit behind budget right now, but we're going to try to make it still. All time we were down $37. I blame those nasty, deceiving penny stocks that I got into the future. I freaking bought those things, thought I was a king of trading, and they burnt me. So we're still down all time $37, but we are making our way back, and we're going to try to become positive by the end of this. I think next week we have a good chance of becoming positive all time. But big week next week. The Fed is meeting, and it's going to be a big week, so y'all stay tuned for that. If you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to like it, drop a like, leave a comment, tell me what your positions are, your favorite positions. I just hit my mic, but let me know. I'm interested. And if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe. Like I said, we're trying to build a Robinhood community, a stock market investing community around this channel, and I look forward to talking to each one of you in the comment sections. And until next time, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.